What's up, GNCRC? Back. It's been a while. Hadn't really had time to make many videos, but since I'm making a video today, I am going to go over what rigs I have. I get that question from time to time. One of my buddies asked me today how many did I have, and I really didn't even know. So I'm gonna go over the ones that I have. So first up is my Jeep. You guys are pretty familiar with it. This is probably my favorite out of all of them. This is the only one I have a full Tech setup in. This is the Komodo along with the TU ESC. A few aftermarket parts. MT Hobbies wheels. I printed these myself. Printed sliders also myself. And a few other things. I forgot what shocks these are, but different shocks. So that's one of them. This is one of my favorite, probably pretty much out of all of them. Actually printed that also on top. Next up is gonna be, this is probably the one you guys never see. This is my nephew's, pretty much mine, because he never used it. I bought it with intentions on building it myself. He normally gets stuff and he's not into it. But for some reason, he wanted to keep this. This one is pretty much, well, it is all stock. Everything on this one is all stock. And you guys are familiar with the RC 4-wheel drive. Really hadn't done much of anything with this one. I changed out the shocks. I got a set of tires I'm supposed to be getting from a guy. I put the receiver, Spectrum receiver, and the Lizard on it also. I got some lights, I just never did get around putting it on. Magnet mounts. This is a must for this one. This is another one you guys probably see from time to time. This is a belly dragger. This is the, what's the name of this chassis? I forgot just that quick. But this particular chassis is printed. It is the, I call it Gullum. But, what is it called? Can't even think of the name of it. But it has a Lizard Pro. No, I'm sorry, it doesn't have a Lizard Pro. It has a regular Lizard and the stock motor. I've been running the stock motor in this one since I had it. The parts, what are these? Power Hobby wheels and tires, KR3s, some internal shocks. Can't think of the name of Warthog. That's what it's called, a Warthog. I did a little wrap job up here. Trill link on the front. I painted the diff covers, which are copper, not copper, they're brass, but I painted them. Pretty cool rig. I like it. It's different. The deadbolt, which I only driven a few times. Only thing that has been changed on this one is it has wheel weights. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. Wheel weights, and it also has the Lizard Pro. And it has a Mofo Torque Beast in it. This is a V1 Mofo Torque Beast. Other than that, that's pretty much it on this one. You hadn't seen this one much. I got some parts to fix the issues that this was having. Hadn't gotten around to fixing it. It's a little bit better than what it was, but I can get it a whole lot better. I've been seeing other people that have pretty much changed things on it and got it where it need to be. This is one of my, I don't know, I just really like to look at this one. I don't know why, I just really like to look. But only thing that's on this one is the Lizard Pro. And I did put lights in the bumper. You can see that on one of my videos on my channel also. This is the latest one I got. Well, one of the latest ones I got. Not the last one. This particular one, this one hasn't been driven out one time. It hadn't even been power on. I hadn't even plugged the battery in. The battery is still the same position it was in. Wheels and tires. A heat sink for the motor. I'm actually waiting on a different motor. And the mounts, what do you call them? Magnet mounts. But outside of that, that was pretty much it. I did print the rack for the top. And that's pretty much it. This is not the product. I'm going to change it up. I don't know. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do to it, but I got some other things I've got planned for this. I got a lot of plans. Just hadn't gotten around to it, guys. Been really busy. And then you guys have seen this particular one. Never got around to driving it. It's still brand new, not one scratch. This is the FMS FJ Cruiser. What are these? 118. Just never got around to driving it. The time I took it out, I actually forgot the radio, stock radio. I'm so used to using my Spectrum radio. I just hadn't gotten around to changing this thing out. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I got some real good ideas. I think it would be really nice, but I don't know if I want to put the time into it because I do have some other things I need to do. But I really like it. I really like the scale look of it. It's really a nice looking rig. I bought this one a while back. I've had it, I don't know, I had it for some months. Never opened it, and I still got it. I actually sold one of my rigs to Jeff, the one with the 4-wheel steer with the mofo cage on it. I actually sold that. This is a total of 9 rigs. That's just way too many rigs, guys. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the next video. So I got something pretty cool coming up. I'm gonna let you guys kind of help me make a decision on what it is I'm about to do. But make sure you stay tuned. And I want to thank all you guys for watching the channel. I want to thank you guys for all the comments, all the new subs, all the people that will sub. If you would, I would be nice if you just go ahead and hit that sub button now and hit that notification button so you don't miss any videos. Got a whole lot more footage coming, guys, but this is just my busy season. Coming into my busy season. It's not really even busy yet, but it's coming into it and it's getting busier. But I'm going to be pumping out quite a bit of new content, so make sure you stay tuned. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.